Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Welcome back. Today we are doing a sneak peek, our first reveal for our January box of the month. The release date is on January 1st, 9 a.m. Central Time. So in your box you're going to receive this cute stamp called Loads of Love, and it features this really cute pickup truck. It's got handwritten on the back, Loads of Love, and for the license plate it says XOXO. And this bunny is really cute. It's holding this very huge heart. It's got a little rose up there by its ear. And we've got some really cute sentiments in here. My heart belongs to you. XOXO, y'all. Love me. Sending you. And this is perfect to cut out and paste it right here above your truck, so you could say sending you loads of love. Hugs and kisses, hello my love, and Valentine's Day. There's two different sized hearts that you can use. So really cute set. Are you guys ready to take a break from the wintry holiday cards? I know I am. So we've got a fun array of products in this box that you are going to enjoy. We'll also have a hop on the first with lots of inspiration for you. So I can't wait for that. So let's make a card with this. I went ahead and made some masks for my bunny and my car and the hearts. So we're going to use that. So I'm just going to keep my mask right there. Get my Misty platform out. And I'm just going to create a little scene. I want to stamp out the car and the bunny. Since I want the bunny to be in front of the car, I am going to stamp the bunny first. So we are going to do a landscape card, and I'm going to put the bunny right there. Get out my car stamp. I can actually use the mask to see where I want to lay this out. So I want to have the bunny off to the side. I don't want to cover up the sentiments on the car. And I'll have that right in the center, almost in the center there. So I think this is a good spot for my little rabbit. I'm going to stamp with Memento Tuxedo Black ink so I can color with my Copics. And I'm going to stamp it a few times so I get a nice dark impression. Let's do one more so we get a nice dark impression. And then we're going to add the mask right on top of that bunny. Cover that up. Now I can also use the mask when I'm doing a background. So if I want to use my distress inks on a background, I could just leave the masks on and ink away. So let's position this so our sentiment is still viewable. And I'm going to go ahead and do that one more time. Now I can go ahead and pull off my mask, and then we've got our cute little scene here. And then I'm going to trim down this panel with a die so it'll fit nicely on an A2 size card base. I'm going to get my magnetic mat out. I like to color on this so I don't get my surface dirty, and it's a nice flat surface. I'm going to take some browns and create some kind of floor and something to ground my images. So I'm just going to take these browns and make a little bit of a floor. Okay, I think the truck would look really pretty with red. So I got my R's out, R46, R29, R27, R24, and R14. I'm gonna color from darkest to lightest. While you watch me color, let's talk about our new release. So if you're new to the channel or new to the shop, welcome. And every month on the 1st, we do a new release. We have a box of the month, which you could purchase as a one-time purchase, or you can subscribe to the club. When you subscribe, you get an extra 5% off. Now these boxes are already marked down at a great discount. But when you subscribe, you'll get that extra 5% off, plus it'll reserve your box every month, and it'll get shipped out automatically to you every 30 days from the date you purchase. So you'll get a brand new box full of awesome goodies. On January 1st, we provide an inspiration hop for you. There's a giveaway. You'll see lots of samples and ways to use the products in the box. So we really love providing that inspiration for you, so you get lots of ideas. Now, to sign up for the subscription, you'll see a drop-down menu and it will say monthly. You have to choose that before checking out, and that is going to get you into the club. You'll see the 5% discount in your shopping cart. And we do have other subscriptions you can add on. We have a paper pad club of the month, which is amazing. You get 2 awesome paper pads every single month. Teresa, our designer, she also adds graphics inside the paper pad, so you can cut those out and use them like ephemera pieces. We also have our Stamp of the Month club and our Stamp and Die of the Month club. So if you like the dies, join the Stamp and Die of the Month club. It's an amazing deal. When you join that club, you get 18% off the retail price, which is awesome. So if you just want a little bit of craftiness, join the Stamp of the Month. You'll get 18% off of that, and you'll get a really cute stamp every single month delivered to your door. We also provide an inspiration hop on the 7th of every month. That will feature the Stamp and Die of the Month, so you'll get lots of ideas for that as well. I also always use the paper pads from the Paper Pad Club throughout the month, so you'll see lots of projects. The design team will now be working with the Paper Pad Club as well, so make sure you subscribe to our design team. And if you already had, we did just have a design team call, so we do have some new members, so you'll see some new faces. So make sure you subscribe to their channels when you see them on the hop on the 1st and on the 7th. If you want to check out their channels now, I do have a blog post with all the links to all the social medias. Head on over there. Okay, I'm going to take a white Jelly Roll pen and add some details. So for his little tail, I'm going to add in some white little dots. And then on those cheeks, I'm going to add some. Let me let that dry a little bit though. Let's do some on the little rose. I'm going to make some little shine marks on the glass. So it looks like this is a glass. And I'm going to do shine marks on some of these hearts. Give them a little bit of a highlight. Okay, so there's our cute little scene, and I'm going to cut that out and I'll be right back. I'm going to stamp my sentiment right here in the corner. I'm going to stamp the XOXO y'all stamp right there in the corner. Okay, that looks really, really cute. I'm gonna add this to my card base and then we will call this card done. So I just matted it on this teal colored cardstock just to bring out that color in all the coloring. I think it looks super cute. Nice, clean, simple card. I hope you guys enjoyed it and meet me back tomorrow at 1 p.m. Central Time. I will try my best to get up a video tomorrow. I am a little bit behind on the videos due to the holidays, and I will try to catch up and get you all 5 videos for the sneak peeks. I hope you guys had a wonderful Merry Christmas, and I hope you guys have a Happy New Year. I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye guys!